We are the next generation. We will face no limits. It's about connecting people and prehistory.
Next generation networks are revolutionizing the way students use technology to learn, in and out of the classroom. The networks are critical for ensuring they have real-time access to internet-based resources that help them engage in complex thinking and inquiry-based learning. It's really about the next generation of adults ready for the new global economy.
It's about connecting people and well-being.
We're turning into a highly mobile society, and that means we need easy, reliable, secure access to our personal information, no matter where we are or where our healthcare providers are. Next generation networks open the door to better healthcare. They let our doctors see us and treat us even if we are in two different places. They also allow healthcare providers to tap into the experience and the expertise of other healthcare experts anywhere they are in the world. Next generation networks also ensure that electronic health records can digitally follow us wherever and whenever we travel, meaning we can receive the best possible care even when we're away from home.
It's about connecting people and things.
Next generation networks provide the flexibility to work from home, letting us easily access the tools and data we need and enabling us to connect to our teammates no matter where they are. Next generation networks give us the power of choice as consumers as well. The internet puts virtually every store and product imaginable at our fingertips. Everything from clothes to books to vintage wines to classic car parts. It creates a global marketplace powered by wide availability of products and competitive pricing.
It's about connecting people and culture.
Next generation networks open up a whole new world of possibilities when it comes to personal entertainment. We can play online games with people anywhere in the world, stream movies, watch high-definition TV shows, the list just goes on and on. Fiber to the home extends next generation networks right to where we live, and when you combine that with personal mobile devices like smartphones, it gives us a world of entertainment options anywhere, anytime.
More and more we're seeing people demanding higher performance, easier to use digital services that cost less. This demand is being met by using cloud computing and software as a service over next generation networks. In this new market environment, Axia is ideally positioned to respond to and successfully capture new business opportunities with our next generation network solution. Fiber to the premise and fiber to the home are the next step in the evolution of next generation networks. And we're seeing positive examples of that in each of the jurisdictions we currently operate in.
In Alberta, where the Alberta SuperNet has been operational for 5 years, Axia is working with the community of Olds to explore how they can implement a fiber to the premise network connected back to Alberta's SuperNet. Their goal is to connect every household and business in Olds, enabling a community portal that will be used to deliver a range of services, including e-commerce, e-markets, secure service sites, and voice over IP, to name a few. In France, the government has created a €2 billion fund to support the deployment of fiber to the home in semi-dense and rural areas. This past August, Covage connected its first fiber to the home customer in southwestern France. The customer is a private housing landlord, and the network will provide over 1,000 residents in 33 buildings with real broadband, enabling internet, television and voice over IP services, as well as smart metering for water and heating. Singapore is at the forefront of the fiber to the premise next generation network movement. They recognize that their nationwide ultra-high-speed broadband network, now being deployed by OpenNet, will open new doors to economic opportunities, business growth, and social vibrancy. By the end of 2010, 60% of homes and offices can expect to have access to the fiber to the premise network, and network coverage is expected to be available to 95% by mid-2012.
Cloud computing, software as a service, mobile data services, and sensor-based services are the fundamentals driving the next wave in the ICT sector, and they all depend on access to a ubiquitous fiber grid. Axia's industry position and track record are strong, and we are well positioned to take advantage of these opportunities as they arise.
We are the next generation. The technology will be in our hands.